Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, we're not going to be driving the Bronco. And the reason is because the window will not drop when it's 9 degrees. Or actually, what's the temperature? Oh, sorry, the temperature's 10 degrees right now.
Where are we going?
We're going out to dinner. Although we might be taking an Uber, so hold that thought. Basically, if you hit the window switches, you know, see? Nothing. This window is actually frozen, and the problem isn't so much that the window's frozen. Hold on, let me put my gloves back on. It's that you can't shut the door, so watch. Notice how the dome light did not turn off, and the reason for that is because the window needs to drop down, come into this channel, and then come back up. And right now it doesn't. So what is the fix for this? Honestly, I don't know, because it's a frameless window. So kudos, Ford. Really what you have to do is you have to figure out where it's being iced in right here. Maybe get some hot water or some sort of a pry or something, but you gotta be really careful because you're in 10-degree weather, as I mentioned, and you could break the glass. So this isn't a fix-it video, this is a WTF video thanks to Ford. So I'm gonna try to fix this and see if we can made our reservation.
There we go.
Oh, listen to that nice sound. So now watch. And by the way, this was not planned. That actually did just fix it. What I did is I jiggled the window and prayed to God that I didn't snap it. So now watch when I close it. Of course, my freaking Bronco still beeps because I haven't done the 4 scan yet, but that's gonna be a separate endeavor. But at this point, the window is now fixed. So really, if you're about to take your wife out for dinner or maybe go pick up your kids and you live up in the Arctic like we do, make sure that your window actually closes properly. Otherwise, you're gonna be driving down the highway, freezing your butt off. So I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves back on, say goodbye to you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll catch you in the next video, and now I'm gonna go eat some Brazilian food.
And a Brazilian later.